In this tutorial, we're going to use the ladder method to find the greatest common factor, or GCF, of 18 and 24, and then find the least common multiple, or LCM, of 18 and 24. Now, typically, when you are reducing or simplifying fractions, then you're finding the greatest common factor. When you are adding or subtracting fractions with unlike denominators, then you're looking to find the least common multiple. And here's kind of a simple method to help you do it. So we're going to start with the ladder method. We start by drawing an upside down division symbol. And then inside there, we're going to place the numbers 18 and 24. So the first task that we have, because the ladder method is just repeated divisions until you get down to a row where the only quotients that are left are those that have a common factor of 1. Now, for 18 and 24, we want to find the smallest prime number that both of these numbers have in common. Well, that prime number is the number 2. So we're going to write 2 here. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to divide 2 into 18, or 18 into 2, and then we're going to divide 24 into 2. So 18 divided into 2 gives us 9, and 24 divided into 2 gives us 12. Now, when we get to this row of quotients, we want to again find the smallest prime factor that 9 and 12 share, and that prime will be the number 3. So we're going to divide again, but this time we're going to use the number 3. So if I divide 9 into 3, I get 3, and if I divide 12 into 3, I get 4. Now, in this row, we're left with quotients 3 and 4. Well, 3 and 4 share a common factor of 1. So when you get down to that point, then you know you're finished with your division. So let's see how we can determine from this method what our greatest common factor will be. Well, our greatest common factor will always be the product of the two factors that are in the column. Oops, and I lost part of my column here. So the greatest common factor of 18 and 24 is the product of 2 times 3, which is 6. So the greatest common factor that 18 and 24 share is the factor 6. Now, to find the least common multiple, we're halfway there, because to find the least common multiple, what we're going to do is we're going to take the product of our column and we're going to multiply that by the product of our very last row. So the least common multiple of 18 and 24 will be the product of 2 times 3, which is our column, times 3 times 4, which are the two factors in our row. So 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18, and 18 times 4 will give us 72. So the least common multiple of 18 and 24 is 72. So I hope that you find this helpful, and I will talk to all of you soon. Bye.